What? You want a beer?
Sure I want a beer. But first I gotta ask you, is it cold?
Yes, of course it's cold. What are you doing asking me if it's cold?
Just curious is all. Beer's better when it's cold.
You think I don't know that, Lou? I've been drinking beer all my life.
I think you know. Well, listen to this. Last night, bowling alley, Cincinnati split, hit the spare. Brad in the next lane says, nice roll.
Nice roll.
So I go for my next roll. I'm sliding my fingers into the holes of the bowling ball. You know what she says to me?
What?
Nice grip.
Yeah, she likes the way you would slide your fingers into those holes, huh?
Hey, that's what I was thinking. So we get to talking. You know what she says to me?
What?
I got a boyfriend.
You got a boyfriend?
What are you doing? Going out to the bowling alley, talking to me, telling me I got a nice grip when you got a boyfriend.
That's shit.
It's shit.
That's shit.
Who are these boyfriends anyway? Is there any girl who does not have a boyfriend?
Apparently not. They're crazy for boyfriends. It's shit.
It's shit.
It's just complete
It's shit.
The other day I'm getting my mail, right?
Oh.
There's some St. Louis ribs for my cousin. Anyway, the mail lady comes up to me and she says, hey fella, you got a big package.
You tell her.
I said, you're telling me.
Listen, tell us all this time.
Okay, so we get to talking, but she's got to get back on her roof. So I asked her, I says to her, hey, can I get your number? You know what she says to me?
847.
I'm married.
What?
What are you doing? Going over to my house telling me I got a big package and you're married.
It's shit.
It's shit.
Did she have a ring?
She had all kinds of rings. I don't know.
You know what? I married her with a ring. Just go in the ring store and say, hey, I want a ring.
Bingo.
Ringo.
I mean, who's the guy she's married to anyway? Just some schmo that bought her a ring? I could buy a ring, Lou. I got money.
It's shit.
It's shit.
It's
complete
shit.
fucking shit is what it is.
I'll tell you what happened to me. I'm at work at the butcher shop.
That's where you work.
That's where I work. I work at the butcher shop from 10 to 2. That's good hours. One shift. No, it's easy.
I'm not gonna lie.
A lady comes in during my shift, asks me how many sausage.
Oh, I like the sound of this.
I say, yeah, I got sausage. She says, how much do you got? I say, how much do you want? She says, about 8 inches. So I tell her, I'll wrap it up for you just to be safe. You know what she tells me?
What?
She got 2 kids, she's married, and on top of all that, she's a nun.
What the fuck?
What are you doing? Going to my butcher shop, asking me about sausage in a specific number of inches. You got a whole family at home and you work in a convent.
That's just shit, Lou.
That's shit.
Shit.
It's a world of shit.
It's a crazy world of shit is what it is. This ain't no normal world of shit we're talking here.
Crazy is right, Lou. Hate to be the shrimp that's got to deal with the world.
Oh, no. I
The
never...
world comes into my office and says, here's my problems. I got married nuns coming into butcher shops asking questions about sausage. I say, get out of here, you're crazy.
You're telling
I
me...
can't help you.
God, the other day I'm at the ballpark, right?
Really?
Yeah, cubbies are loose.
Oh, so it goes.
So in the third inning, Soriano hits this beautiful fly ball my way. So I see it coming, I slide my fingers into the hands of my glove, I reach up and I catch it.
Oh, wow!
Yeah,
Congrats, Lou!
Rod in the row next to me says, hey buddy, nice catch.
Hey, nice catch.
So I turned to her and I said, hey sweetheart, you make a pretty good catch yourself.
Yeah!
You know what she tells me?
What?
She got her vagina removed. Her mouth is allergic to human flesh, and her asshole was sewed shut and replaced with a fucking colostomy bag. Believe that?
Better hands.
Severe arthritis.
Arthritis!
What are you doing? Going to a ball game. You got no vagina.
Hey, Lou! Hey, Lou! Hey, Lou! You got no vagina, and you're going to the ballpark anyways.
You're right. Why don't I have a vagina? No one
Where
asked
are
me.
our vaginas?
I'm going door to door selling them.
I say, hey, sign me up. We never got the
It's
option.
the option.